Typically, Health Canada takes about 300 days to do a standard approval.
Not so much the case with the Pfizer's pediatric vaccine. On October 18th, Health Canada received the company's submission, and 32 days later, an approval for use. Fast but not alarming, says pediatric infectious disease specialist Dr. Anna Banerjee, and it has nothing to do with rising infections in those under 12.
It's an expedited process. None of the steps have been skipped. They have to look at the data, do the same thing.
Health Canada's chief medical advisor told me they're fast-tracking COVID-19 vaccine approval in 3 ways. They have a team dedicated only to reviewing vaccines, which means different parts of the review are done at the same time. And there's also rolling reviews, meaning the drug manufacturer can submit the data for Health Canada's consideration as it becomes available.
It wasn't a completely new vaccine. So we had seen a lot of the data before. So, we feel that that was the appropriate amount of time that it took us to go through that data.
Feels good. Woo! As for why the FDA approved it faster than Health Canada, Sharma says the only reason is because Pfizer gave them the data first. A comparison which is still irrelevant, says Dr. Banerjee.
People in Health Canada have to look at the data and feel comfortable saying that this is a safe and effective vaccine. And so whatever time it takes is the time it took.
Social media is still buzzing with skepticism, and a pharmaceutical policy expert can think of a reason why.
They do release the information that the drug companies submit, but they don't release what the reviewers thought about that information. Health Canada has a long history of secrecy. A group of Canadian journalists awarded it a prize for being the least transparent government department.
All the experts maintain the children's vaccine is safe and that no adverse reactions have been recorded since the U.S. rolled it out. But Lection says more data from Health Canada would help put rumors of cutting corners to rest. Now, Health Canada maintains that while it does work closely with drug manufacturers, they are still an independent body focused on the health and safety of Canadians only. Noor Ibrahim, Global News.